Coolant reservoir replacement on a 2004 Volkswagen Passat 1.8 turbo. I've replaced this thing probably 4 times. Ends up overheating. It loses all the coolant. Usually a crack in the bottom of the reservoir happens. I bought this directly from Volkswagen. It still has the same problem as the cheap $20 ones on Rock Auto or Advance. You start off by removing the 3 Phillips screws here, here, and here. Underneath, you're going to have the electrical connector here. That's an easy pry off, comes right off. Got a flathead screwdriver on mine. Then here I just take a pair of channel locks, get that right off. Went ahead and popped that off, popped this off right here. Reservoir comes right up, no problem. Yep, there we go. Same place it always cracks. Here, here. I don't know how many times I've replaced these things. Anyway, I'll tell you what, I need a new camera. Oh, here's a new one. Basically, all the antifreeze drops down in there. Sprays on everything. All these hoses, so deteriorates the hoses even quicker. That's nice. You can see the oil filter down there completely covered in the antifreeze. And this happened, of course, going down the road. So it overheated. Caught it right beforehand, pulled to the side of the road, and had it towed home. Installation's reverse. As of removal, you'll just turn this upside down, plug in the electrical connector, and then it's pretty simple that way. So there, I just pushed the hose on there, pushed the hose on there, and then I connected the sensor, put my screws back in, fill it up with OEM G12 coolant, burp it, and we will be done.